In this video, you will learn about the advantages, the huge earning potentials, and the dangers of automated trading systems. You will learn about different types of automated trading systems and some of their specifics. I guarantee you will learn a lot, so stay with me. What are automated trading systems? Automated trading systems are computer programs that run on your broker's platform and perform trading decisions on autopilot. They either help you to manage your manually open trading position to bring it into a profit, or they trade completely autonomous. Thereby, they decide when to enter and to exit a buy or a sell order, and how much risk should be taken on that trade. This gives the trader a huge advantage. The trader is no longer influenced by his psychology and the irrational drivers of fear and greed. With trading robots, you can easily reach 2 digits percentage monthly returns with a medium risk approach. Furthermore, trading robots buy and sell. Unlike the common buy and hold strategy for stocks and cryptocurrencies, this opens up double as many trading opportunities. You as a trader set your automated trading environment up and only come back occasionally to check if everything is okay. The great advantage is that you are no longer psychologically bound to your trading. Your mind is free to concentrate on the important things in your life. Another advantage is that you can backtest the strategy of your trading robot beforehand. Even though past performance of a strategy never guarantees that it will run the same in the future, it can give you a good indication of how a strategy works. But be careful, you will find tons of trading robots on the internet that show extraordinary equity growth curves in their backtests, but almost all of them are scam. But I decided not to go that way. I want to be honest with you, I want to help you, and I want to partner with you in the long term. And don't get discouraged. Apart from the scammer mess, there are still good systems out there with a huge potential. That's why I am here. I want to help you finding the good ones that I use myself very successfully for my own investment. In a future video, I will show you how to perform reliable backtests that reduce the chance of get scammed and how to perform them by yourself. By the way, if you're not sure if a trading robot is good or not, just partner with me and I can help you to find out. Trading robots using different indicators such as moving averages, relative price strength, price action, price candle patterns, etc. to find good entries and exits for trades. It would require a separate video to explain you some of the most common indicators. In this video, I will give you a broad overview of different types of trading robots. Category number 1. Scalping robots. Scalping robots are used to perform very short-term transactions. They investigate short-term time frames of a few minutes or hours to find good entries and exits for a trade. That trade normally closes on the same day, and scalping robots trade comparatively often. If you have a good scalper robot, you can benefit from the compound interest effect and make a lot of money. Unfortunately, there are not many good scalper robots. The problem with this kind of robots is their high trading costs. Since they do a lot of transactions with small winning targets, you must pay a lot of commissions and spreads to the broker, which reduces your profitability. Nowadays, many trading robot developers found an inefficiency in the market during night hours. The market tends to range during that hours, and this can be exploited. Unfortunately, in the night there are even higher trading costs with huge spread and swap costs. That's why most of the night scalpers look good in backtests where an artificially low spread is assumed, but they don't perform well in the real trading since the spreads are higher. Category number 2. Swing trading robots. Swing trading robots trade in the long term. Their trades can sometimes run for weeks or even months. They don't trade very often. However, in leverage trading, your open trading positions will cause holding costs over time. These costs are called swap costs. Normally, they will be charged if you hold a position overnight. You can imagine that holding a position for several weeks can cause significant costs, and since swing trading robots look for huge market trends, they won't be as profitable in ranging market phases. On the other hand, their position size and corresponding spread costs are low compared to their potential gain. In general, every scalping robot and swing trading robot has a fixed stop loss and fixed take profit. This means that the robot will exit the trade at a fixed price to stop the amount of loss or to cash in the profit at a prescribed price. Some robots try to have dynamic stop losses and take profits to reflect the current market behavior. Let's come to another subcategory of the previous robots. Averaging robots. A common technique to get a better entry price for a trade is to average the entry. With this technique, the robot will enter a trade, and as soon as the price goes against the desired direction, it will open another trade. Thereby, the effective entry moves in your favor. On the other hand, another position means that your exposure and risk increases. And grid robots, which are the next subcategory, they even open up more trading positions in the cases where the price goes against your direction. They do it to move the entry price to a more favorable level. These robots are called grid robots. On the other hand, they have a huge advantage. They will never lose a trade and their balance curve always goes up. But this can lead to high drawdowns and even to a loss of the whole investment in cases where the price doesn't reverse or the robot is not well programmed or the chosen risk is too big. Don't get me wrong, I use those robots for my trading as well, but you have to know how to do it the right way. Let's come to the next subcategory, Martingale robots. A common trick to increase the averaging effect of a grid is to use the Martingale method. Some of you know this approach maybe from gambling. If your trade loses, you just open another trade which has double the lot size or exposure to the market. Thereby, the effective entry price comes very close to the current price, and you can exit all trades without an effective loss or even with a great gain. There are aggressive martingale approaches and moderate approaches. You can imagine that with this method and an aggressive approach, you can easily blow up your account if you don't know what you're doing. Don't get discouraged. Even though each of these trading robots have their advantages and disadvantages, you can earn a lot of money with them when you tune and use them the right way. And today you can make a bold step and act. That's why I'm here. I want to help you looking through the jungle of all of these approaches and the different trading robots which are available on the internet. There are some very good ones which have huge earning potentials. But don't fall for the assumption that you can become rich by just using one trading robot. Now I am using around 10 different trading robots at once to diversify my risk and to increase my gains. Obviously, I can't give you all these robots for free. The most of them are not mine as well. I purchase them from other developers as well. But I have agreements with their developers to give you discounts for them if you want to buy them. If you're willing to trade via a new account of my partner broker over my link, you will get one of my own trading robots for free. And I will give you the list of trading robots that I trade now, as well as a discount for them if you want to buy them. Along with that, I will give you all the settings I am using for these trading robots. Believe it or not, even the authors of the trading robots don't always have the best settings for their systems. I tried dozens of different trading robots with many different settings, and now I'm at a point where I have a portfolio of highly profitable trading robots with best fine-tuned settings. You can get all this high value information if you are willing to partner with me. Just trade over my partner broker and receive all these benefits, which cost me thousands of euros. You will get it for free. If you have already an account with IC Markets, you just open a new account with another mail address. Don't hesitate to make a courage step today. I'm looking forward to hearing from you after you registered there and for our collaboration. Just contact me afterwards via mail to support@struve-invest.com and I help you to get started with everything. I'm really looking forward to get to know you and to partner with you.